Oh, good morning. Good morning. Welcome to TechnologyBob. Today we're going to go through a few weeks ago. I bought an old Tandy from like 1983, 1984. I can't remember what the year was. I can't even remember what is in this box. So we're going to find out today. All right. This is in a Dell box, but it's not a Dell in there. So let's open it up, and hopefully it's a Tandy computer from 1984. I'm going to set you down here. Well, don't worry, I'm a lazy. I just got to get all this tape off here. Alright. As with a lot of things from eBay. Well, depends on the seller, I guess. These is fairly well wrapped. We have package there. This come in the original box with the original box. So let's I'll get that out here and set that out. Alright. So what we have here is this is the TRS-80 Color Computer 2. Alright. Radio Shack, original box. The little box is a little weathered. Let's open it up. And here's what we have. Alright. We have a computer, I guess. TV cord. Power cord. So let's get it out of the box. In the box, like this. Here's it shows on the side of the box, numbers, catalog number, serial number been taken off of it, but 64K extended. So we're going to just take the box and set it off over here, or down here. Styrofoam. Okay, this be the computer. No mouse. No mouse. This is before the, it has cassette. We're going to get some stuff for this. Channel 3, shit. We got a reset button, out to TV, channel 3, cassette, power, and on the bottom, somebody's been in here. Somebody's been in here. Somebody's been in this machine. Somebody's been in there. So, see if she works, I guess. We're gonna set it up. Get it on channel 3. It is on 3. So let's see what's in this other bag. Oh, this is a manual for it, I guess. Take a look at this. Can you see that? Alright. Shows how to hook it up. Installation. Getting started with colored basics, Radio Shack. This must have came with it. It's pretty cool. Same. Huh. So there's a date in here. This is 1981. Oh, this computer's, I think, is 83. Well, I gotta, before we plug this all in, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Check out my books. I just finished the second one in The Hotel Between the Worlds, the China adventure. It just went out yesterday, I guess. I haven't started the third one yet. The third one's going to be a little more fast-paced. But yeah, check them out. Also, please subscribe. It really helps. Like, share. This week is not going to be real exciting, I don't think. But we're going to go back in time. We're going to fire this up here in just a second. Hopefully. I'm going to get another camera set up. We're going to get it all hooked in. And see if we got a runner. I hope we do. Well, I don't even know if it's going to come on. So we got it hooked up. We got the power turned on it. Let's see what we got. Well, the TV has to be on. I had to actually hook it through the cable type thing. I couldn't use the other setup that we had. So let's turn it on now. Alright, we have an OK prompt. And it says 1982 on here. Okay, let's do a print. No backspace. Well, basic works. We need to get some cartridges for this. It does turn on, looks like. I don't know why there's no backspaces on these things. I don't know when that was invented. Do you know? Comment below. This is really a quick video. Well, quick-ish, right? We had a problem. Or I had a problem, I guess. And we could probably try, I don't know, basic programming is such a long program. I'm looking here for something we could write real quick, and I don't see nothing. He started with color basics. This just looks like a lot of programming. No copy paste feature. All right, so, well, there's not much we can do here. This works. Standard keyboard type thing. Here, let's try this one. This is just going to type some text. Not that big a deal. We just type run. My name is Bill. Hit enter. Hi Bill, hi Bill, hi Bill, hi Bill, hi Bill, hi Bill. That's a long way to go. We have a break. So I think we can just try run again too. What's my name? YouTube. And then we just hit run. Hi YouTube. Hi. Break. Well. Anyhow, that's it for today. We're gonna call this week. Okay. I'm hoping next week I will have the stuff for the Texas Instrument, the TI-99, so we can get that all wrapped up and get it out here on the screen so we can actually maybe play a couple more games on it. I'm going to try to find a couple games for this. We also still have to play some games on the Atari. I did find on Facebook, I found an Atari 600 XL. All right, and I drove 100 miles to get it. It's in the box. So we're going to unbox it, maybe not next week, but the week after that. But yeah, read my books. Read my books, thanks. Yeah, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for watching clear to the end. And until next time, thank you.